guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Coral and today we will be unbagging the April 2020 IPSY Glam bag. So if you have any interest in these types of videos, please keep on watching. So let's get into this bag. So when pulling out the bag, this is what April's 2020 Glam bag looks like. It's a nice kind of springy floral color with some flowers. So this is a $12 monthly subscription. You get 5 deluxe size and sometimes full size items. And let's go see it and see what I got. So the first item that I am pulling out is the Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. That's what that looks like. And according to the card, let me pull up the card. So this month's theme is Full Bloom. And this card just tells you everything what you got in your bag. So for this Kismet primer, new to primer, this one helps your makeup looking fresh without fading or gently splotching. The silky texture smooths the look of pores and is fused with vitamin C to brighten and nourish your skin all over. So this is 10 milliliters and it says a deluxe sample, but when I looked up online, this is the same size as their travel size on their website, and this retails for a value of $24 for the 10 milliliters for the travel size. So far we already got double our bag value, and that's pretty amazing. So the next item I am going to pull out is the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich. This is a moisturizing cream, and this is a deluxe sample size, and the size is 0.5 fluid ounces for the sample, and the full size version is 50 milliliters for $35. When I looked this up and I did the math, this value is a total of $6.60 for this sample size. So that is the second item we got. The third item we got in our bag is the Neogen Dermatology. This is their Real Vita C Serum, right here. And this is a vitamin C serum. So you apply it after toner, just a few drops, and then follow up with a moisturizer. The full size of this item is 32 grams, which is $38. The sample size is 10 grams. So if you do the value, this is actually worth $11.88, which that's pretty cool. The fourth item, and this is the item that I chose, is by the YC collection. This is a loose setting powder. And the full size of this product is 113 grams for $12. And this sample size is 1.8 grams, and the value for this is just 20 cents. So this, since it is a lower end product, it's not as valued as expensive. So we'll go into the fifth and final item I got. So the fifth and final item that I received in my bag was the Space Case Cosmetics Vacation on Mars, and this is a bronzer. That's what the outer packaging looks like. Let's go ahead and see what the color looks like. So this is the color of the bronzer, just a great neutral shade. I think it'll work well with my complexion. So those are the 5 items that I received, and the value for this bronzer is $6.24. So when adding up all of these 5 items, in total, the bag value is $49.11. That is just a smidge under their $50 that they promised for the bag, but I think this month, they did a great job, and I saw other people's unboxings, and it seems like they had a great variety of items. I am very happy with my April 2020 Glam bag, and I will soon be posting my review for the Glam bag Plus for April. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thanks guys. Bye.